Let's take a look at the VLC 4 beta. There we go. So this is the in-development version of VLC. It's actually an alpha. It's actually not even an alpha, it's just in development and it's nightly builds. But I call it beta because, you know, people know what that means, maybe. So it has a music and a video library. Those are based on the folders, your music and video folders. And these thumbnails are sure nice, but the music is really annoying because it doesn't even try to substitute with file names if the metadata isn't correct, and there is no slider. You cannot navigate the music. This is really weird. You can view by artist or genres, but if there are no genres, then that's kind of a fail. You can see tracks, which is kind of good, but you cannot navigate them. What I mean is VLC is supposed to have this progress bar, but nope, it's missing here. Okay, so let's take a look at the videos. Video playback is a bit weird right now. It opens a separate window. I know this is possible to achieve in standard VLC, current stable, somehow. I don't want that. I don't know how to get rid of it. There is this player. Actually, the video is supposed to be here. Man, that's loud. You can access a bunch of settings here. Good old menu. Looks a bit bigger. Windows 10 Metro styled, I would say. But here the preferences window is still good old standard advanced settings. Right, so how do we get... yeah, here. So this is it. This is what VLC version 4, yes, version 4 dev. Here's what this looks like. Looking forward to the final version. Now to get this, you will have to go to nightlies.videolan.org. Remember to never trust Google results about VLC downloads. The software is so popular, there's a lot of scammers out there. So make sure you double check the URL, nightlies.videolan.org. And down here, pick your operating system, for example, Windows 64 bits, and then just go by date. It's already sorted by date, so you can take the topmost pretty much and pick the one with version 4, or go to last. You can have an MSI installer, an exe installer. I prefer always a zip. So I'm gonna go and take this zip and just extract all. There we go, can take a little bit. And there you are, and here you can start with vlc.exe. Well, I'm gonna trust it. I don't know about you, but I think Videolan can be trusted. So triple check your download from their website and not some shady one. And here you have it. So apparently it's trying to become a media center in some way, which I'm not so sure about. But this playlist on the right hand side is kind of nicer than in the current version. You can also use the installers to make VLC version 4 actually be the standard music and video software, which I do not recommend at all. It is not stable currently yet. So let's hope that they add this progress bar for music soon and fix the video playback soon. But until then, have fun trying it out. See you next video. Ciao!